Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 55 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, that is how small action can make a big difference. So let's start. So many of us, what we think that popular person or person who have big achievement can only change the world. But we should understand that small action can also change the world, because whatever small action we are taking today, it will be going to be bigger tomorrow. And there is a saying also that drop with drop water mighty oceans is created. So we should think that every single whatever small actions we are doing today will give us better tomorrow. I will take an example. One side there is a girl named Ria, and and one side there is a boy named Arav. So both are thinking that they have to improve English communication skill. But Arav is thinking that when I will gain confidence, then I will start English speaking challenge for 5 minutes. And whereas Ria has started that challenge, that she's always used to speak in English 5 minutes for daily. At beginning she was having problem that she was not able to use proper words, she was lacking in grammar portion, she was lacking in confidence, but she continued that regularly. So she became confident in English speaking challenge, English learning skills. Whereas on the other side, Arav, he was lacking confidence, so he was not able to speak English confidently because he never tried. So small actions make a huge difference. We are students, and when students study for a one day and regularly, if I will study regularly for 3 hours a day, continuously for regularly 365 days, then I will study more than 365 hours. It's triple time. On the other hand, if there is a student who is studying one day 10 hours and another day he is not studying well, he will not move far. So we should develop such habits, we should develop such small actions, so that we will be better in future. For example, waking a minute earlier, reading books every day, and then exercising daily, yoga daily. These small actions can give you confidence later, because these are things that every billionaire or millionaire follows. These are the things that every successful man follows. First, they have not get success in one day. They have continued their journey to success from many long time. So success doesn't come in one day, it takes time. And how we will achieve that success? By small actions. Whatever action we are doing today will define our success tomorrow. So we should understand that. And so we should understand that success is really important, and for that we have to take small actions daily, so that it will bring confidence to us, and with confidence we will able to achieve what we desire to achieve. For example, today I am making this video. I am not well confident, but I know that if I will continue this series till 365 days, I will be more confident than I was yesterday. So small actions really matters. If you have lack in confidence, if you don't have confidence, you have to make your to bring confidence, you have to do that action daily. For example, waking up early, not using phones at night, drinking plenty of water. These things, it seems like easier, that why you are saying this, these things are common, but these things will change your future. Small action can make huge difference. So that's all for today's video. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.